welcome back to the channel. It is day, what day is it? It's day 16 of Vlogmas. I am in such a rush. Last night I spent the night with Sean, and now, oh, it looks bad. Now I am getting ready to go to church so I won't be late. So yeah, but yeah, I am getting ready to go to church because everybody's gone. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to go to church, you guys. Oh my goodness, I literally rushed. Like, my hair looks a mess. I didn't even get to like wet it and brush it through with my Diamond brush how I wanted to. But honestly, it's okay because we're gonna make it to church. My Aunt Lou is preaching today. That's my cousin Ashley's mom. I think you guys seen her in my vlog, I think so. But yeah, so that's what I have planned for this morning. Hopefully my grandpa cooks because your girl is ready to throw down. And I didn't even eat no breakfast this morning. So yeah. If not, then I'll just have to go somewhere and get something to eat. And I also need to finish my Christmas shopping. I think today will be an okay day to go to the outlets, either today or this week, y'all, because I'm telling y'all, this job, once it's over with for the seasonal position, whatever you want to call it, I'm done. Because let me tell y'all something, they did not schedule me at all for this week. I'm not on the schedule until next Saturday, which is so dumb. Like, why do you have somebody not on schedule for a whole entire week? What is that? Like, y'all claim y'all needed people so bad, and y'all have people that are here and ready to work for y'all, and you don't even give them any days. So yeah, when I go back to school, I have to find a totally different job because I cannot do this anymore. Maybe I'll try Amazon or something, I don't know, but we shall see. So we are out to eat at the Twisted Crab. You wanna say hey, Ashley? What is this? You wanna say hey? You get Day-Day because you're looking nice.
My camera's in the car.
Looking nice.
Your car, my mom's car.
Oh. Ma, you wanna say hey? Okay, forget it. But yeah, so we at the Twisted Crab and we about to eat. I'm about to order my food. I just want some crab legs and some fries.
Did you vlog? Oh yeah,
I vlog every day until Christmas, Mom.
Oh, that's right.
I'm gonna do Vlogmas next year. I'm gonna do, yeah.
Do it.
I can't hear you.
I gave her her sunglasses today and her stuff.
What's
Her
sunglasses?
cat-eye ones I bought her.
Oh. What about?
She had them on, but she forgot to wear them.
Oh. I was like, wait.
When we pass them down.
Oh, here's some gloves.
Here's some more gloves. You guys see that?
We're gonna get it.
Oh,
My ring getting caught in the gloves.
Who pulled this on his side?
Grandma.
No, it's ours.
Oh, please show them here.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
Yeah, we tried. We gave y'all 30-40 minutes.
Yeah.
I thought for taste. So no man.
No, this is not taste testing time.
Gotcha.
Oh, you got fried shrimp.
What you get?
Oh, you got fried shrimp and french fries.
My son.
Oh, is this the weekend?
The crab is good.
our combo with Cajun and garlic butter.
No.
I think that's me.
Because I got all the sauces.
Yep, that's me.
Yeah, shrimp time. Ashley, all that comes on the mind.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you got lobster.
Yeah, you about to get mad stuff, huh? Share. Wait, what did you get?
Oh, because we have a full pound, that's half a pound.
Shrimp.
Oh, yeah.
Little sausages, corn and potatoes.
Oh, okay.
I'm ready for mine, baby. All right.
My mom always ready. She don't be with it. Y'all slow.
Can I just eat one? Just try to.
You want a shrimp?
Yeah, please.
So about the table now.
I want to try to taste the potato.
It's already peeled it. But it still got the tail on it though. But it already peeled it.
Honey, can you pull my sleeve up for me? Thanks.
Nigga, this is dinner.
Thank you.
Yeah, but Crystal doesn't cook. I should have packed my clothes and I could have stayed.
Yeah, whatever y'all want to eat, we'll do.
We don't do nothing anyway at home.
Huh?
I said we don't do nothing anyway at home.
But I'm saying I could have stayed.
Ooh, I can feel my day.
And I don't work this week until Saturday, which is dumb.
Dang, I should have stayed over then. Since I drove today. But I ain't bring no contacts or nothing, so.
I'm off for today.
Yeah. I ain't bring my glasses though. I'm gonna tell I was real bad.
You got it good.
I'm learning. Yeah, I like that they got gloves.
Oh, I got live shrimp.
Yeah, I got it. That's what I was saying. I don't wait shrimp. Yeah.
I didn't know you like seafood.
I eat these type of crabs, but not the other crabs.
Like whole crabs.
Yeah, I don't eat
I
them.
don't like whole crabs either, because I don't like those.
That's the blue ones, right?
Not blue is like the whole body.
Oh.
The shell crab. Yo, this is so good. But I did not know this was down here. Y'all want to come again for my birthday? You know my birthday's next month? I cannot believe. How old was I when I met you? When you started dating Crystal? How old? Wait, when y'all started dating?
What? When I met her?
Yeah. So how many years ago?
36 now.
Justin's about to be 34. Yeah, okay, wait, how many years is that though?
20.
B.
So I'm 25.
The combo B.
Mine is 16. I was 9. So that means you've been doing me since I was 9 years old. I'm turning 26 next month. Good. But I even remember when we had to take Aries back on the plane.
Oh yeah.
And I cried. I was like, she's never gonna come back. And then what? I remember we was in dance class. And she came back. And y'all, and she walked through the dance class. I can't wait.
Wrong.
I was crying. When you got on that plane, when I tell you I was crying like somebody stole my dog. Yeah, so you just eat it like that.
Oh, it's soft.
It's soft. Ooh, it's hot.
You sure you don't want a crab leg?
Oh, it's closed. That's what they gotta build.
You sure?
That's
just me.
No, it's not.
No, you ain't, because he just like,
No, I'm not. That's just me.
well, when he wants his medicine found out, he's like, yo, bitch.
Yeah. Where I don't like to be around people. I like to go to sleep, to be honest. Even though I'm so hungry, y'all, and you looking at the food.
We helping you.
My stomach is not eating potatoes. Want another shrimp? No, I need a potato. You want some of my potato? Yeah.
Is this meat in there? It makes me mad when I can't
Yo, I got mad garlic.
Wait, you got all the sausage?
Jank. Yeah.
I
got all of them. Just like you.
Okay, y'all, so we made it back home. After we ate, we went to go get some after we ate, we went to go to the mall, and then I went to go to Best Buy because I had to buy an SD chip, well, the chip reader for my my iPad, because I lost mine from last night. But now we're all just home. I'm editing today's video.
So horribly
My face all greasy.
Yo, you never know what you do until you rewatch yourself.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're just home. Everybody's home.